Hi, this is Shushan from MeasureSquare. This video is on how to create a Wallbase product. To create a product, make sure you are on the Products tab at the bottom. Next to what looks like a wine glass at the top, you'll see a plus icon. Click on that. You can give it a name. I'll call it Wallbase 1. Select the type. Scroll down, Wallbase. You can select the trade for it. It'll go under miscellaneous by default. The unit is linear feet, and you can add the width, add an add-on product, sales and cost prices. You can add stuff like the taxable, the display color. You can change that so it'll be more visible. You can add a waste percentage, texture, description, click done. And you'll see under Wallbase, it'll show up now as Wallbase 1. When I drag it over, you'll see the dashed lines appear around the room.